In this video, I'll show you how to use Venmo. First, open the app on your phone, since you can't send or receive money from the website. Once you're in the app, tap the Pay or Request button, which you'll find on the home screen. It might be labeled or shown as a pencil and a square icon. Next, enter the username, phone number, or email of the person you want to send money to or request money from. Double-check the name to avoid sending it to the wrong person, especially if there are similar usernames. Then, type the amount of money you want to send or request. For example, if you're splitting a dinner bill and need to send $50, just enter 50 in the dollar amount field. Below the amount, there's a space labeled "What's it for?" Here you can type a note to say what the payment is for. As you write, emoji suggestions may pop up. You can include them if you want to make it fun or specific. If you'd like, you can also adjust the privacy of the transaction. Tap the privacy icon in the bottom right corner to set it as public, friends, or private. Public means everyone on Venmo can see the transaction. Friends means only you, the recipient, and your Venmo friends can see it, and private means it's just between you and the other person. Once everything looks good, tap either Pay or Request, depending on what you're trying to do. A green confirmation bar will pop up. Tap that to confirm your transaction. After completing it, Venmo will send you an email to confirm that the payment or request was successful. Thanks for watching. If this helped, make sure to subscribe for more useful content like this.